Python in 2 minutes, part 4. This one we're going to be talking about comments. A comment is where you write something into your program that actually doesn't print out on the screen or anything, but it's there for you for notes, all right? So for example, I've got this statement here, print, this is a MacBook Air. Now, I might have some complex program or something in here that's really difficult to remember how I made it, so I want to put a comment in. So if I put down a hash at the start, a little hash like that, and I type in a comment, this is a comment about my code, that comment won't print. And everything after this line, just this one line, nothing on that one line will print after that hashtag. Okay, so that's a comment. So let's just run this file once. So just Command S save, run the module, and you'll see this is a MacBook Air, visit this. So they're my two print statements. So this single comment here hasn't printed out, right, because it's got the hashtag there. Now what happens if I want to take more notes? And this is really important for the students, taking notes on your programming. If you want to take more than one line of notes, use 3 double inverted commas, 1, 2, 3, and then you've got to close it with another 1, 2, 3. So I've written 3 lines of writing here already just to show you that you can put a big comment in. This is really good if you're writing a complex program and you need to go back later and say, gee, how did I do that? And you just write yourself a little bit of information in here in the 3 inverted commas. Then the next print statement goes ahead, and you can see over here the next print statement will print, and your comments won't be printed out. Really useful. Later, when we get to a few other things, more complex things in Python, these triple inverted commas comments can actually be used as a help file. And if you type the word help, your comments will come up as help for the person using your program.